Alright, so right in this account, you can see in the last 14 days, we have gotten over 400 clicks and over 3,500 impressions. Now, this account is currently advertising phone repair services in the UK. I'm going to show you another account. So, right, this is another account, and this is currently advertising for computer repair services in the US, particularly Las Vegas. And you can see we have gotten 259 clicks in the last 14 days. Now, I will come back to this account to show you some of the keywords that people are using to find the business on Google. But before that, let's quickly go ahead and look at something right here. So I'm in the policy page on Google Ads. So you can see right, Google Advertising Policy Help. So what you are looking at right here, that is third-party consumer technical support. The following is not allowed. Now, what it means is that if your business is about computer repairs, phone repairs, Macbook repairs, Samsung phone repairs, and so on, you will not be able to advertise those businesses on Google Ads. And this is not just happening, it has been happening for years. And despite the fact that this has been happening for years, the good news is that I have been able to advertise this same business for my client, and that is one of the things you'll be able to get at the end of this video. So you can see technical support by third-party providers for consumer technology products and online services. So this is not allowed. So when you look at Google Ads policies, whenever you see this particular symbol right there, what it's telling you is that that particular product or services is not allowed on Google, and that is exactly what you're seeing right for this particular third-party consumer technical support. And when you're trying to advertise your computer repair, phone repair, Macbook repair services on Google Ads, this is exactly the policy you will be seeing in front of your advert when the advert has been disapproved. But does it mean you will not be able to advertise the business again? The answer is yes and no. Yes, if you have a specialist just like myself who can help you to handle the advertisement and manage it. And no, if you don't have a specialist who can manage it. And then there's another thing I need to let you know. When you start running advert for this type of businesses, your advert will continue to be disapproved oftentimes, and then it is the help of the specialist that can help you get the advert up again and again and continue running the advert without having issues with your account being suspended. So now let's go ahead and look at some of the keywords that people have been searching for this particular account. This is for the USA account, Las Vegas. So I want to go ahead and click on the insight and report. By the way, you can see this is from February 1st to February 14th, 2025. So if I go ahead and click on search time right here, you can see on my screen we have iPhone repair near me, phone repair near me, iPhone repair, phone screen repair, iPad screen repair, and so on and so forth. So these are the keywords that we're targeting on the advert, and this is what you're seeing right on my screen. Now if you look at the clicks, you can see we have 4 clicks right here, 4 clicks, 3 clicks, 2 clicks, 2 clicks, 2 clicks on these searches. Now these searches are not the targeted keyword, but these are the exact keyword that people are searching on Google. And what it means is that if I go to Google to search for maybe MacBook Pro 2023 screen repair. Now if I see the advert and I click on the advert, so even if I'm not targeting that exact keyword in the advert, that is this keyword I just entered on my Google, even if I don't have it directly on my Google advert, maybe I just have MacBook Pro repair on my Google advert, and then someone go to Google to search for MacBook Pro 2023 screen repair. Now that is exactly what I am looking at right here, the exact keyword that users entered when they conducting their research on Google, and that is what triggers these numbers of clicks and numbers of impressions we're seeing right here. So what it means is that I have been able to advertise for this business, even though it is not actually supported on Google. So if you have been having challenges advertising your business, particularly your phone repair, computer repair, Macbook repair, iPhone repair, and so on, then you have a good news that you'll be able to run advert for those business again. And that is the essence of this video. Now let's look at this other account right here. This account is currently running advert for phone repair services in Ipswich, UK. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the search terms right here. You see, so we have a phone repair Ipswich, phone repair near me, computer repair near me, phone repair Ipswich, iPhone repair Ipswich, phone shops Ipswich, and so on and so forth. So if we look at the impressions right here, we see we have 49 impressions, 5 clicks, 43 impressions, 2 clicks, 32 impressions, 4 clicks, 31 impressions, 2 clicks, and so on and so forth. So with this, you can see that I have been able to run advert for these businesses, despite the fact that this symbol right here is showing that these businesses are not allowed to be advertised on Google Ads. You might be at a point whereby your advert has been disapproved again and again, and then maybe you are getting frustrated and then no business is coming to you. But now you are seeing this video and then you can see that I have been running advert for this same business that you have been struggling to advertise on Google. So what it means is that I am the right person that can help you run advert for this business. And the best thing you can do now is to go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video. You click on the link and send a message to me. If you are on my website, you can use the contact form and then you might be directed to my WhatsApp. Then we can continue the conversation on WhatsApp, where I'll be able to give you my help and you'll be able to advertise this business wherever you are in the world. And I'm going to guarantee that you will continue to run the advert for as long as possible and you continue to drive a lot of customers to your business. So right now I will drop the link in the description of this video. So go ahead and look at the link, click on the link and send a message to me and I will be able to help you to run your advert and drive more customers for your business. Thanks for watching the video and bye for now.